Hello everyone, this is Jaybird and he is going to take the hot sauce challenge. Here we go.
And well, this is the type of hot sauce I'm actually going to do.
It's extra hot.
And also, I'm sorry I haven't done a video in a long time, but I was kind of busy, so I'm in school now, so I'm about to do this. So, 3, 2, 1. Okay, got
Did you finish it? I don't think you finished it. Are you allowed to have milk in between? Oh, it's gone, isn't it?
Oh God! Feels like my heart blow up.
Phew. Hey. Wow.
I made it.
Jaybird Games takes the hot sauce challenge. Woo! Alright, let's see that glass. Hold that glass up to the camera. Not the milk, man. Come on.
I actually drank this whole one.
Let me see,
It was like
yeah.
over, like, all the way, like, so full.
Yeah, we probably should have shown how
If you
full,
want to
but-
try to do this is the type of hot sauce.
Yeah, that was a full bottle of hot sauce.
So try to do this, and it's really fun and very, very dangerous for kids to do this, but you can still do it.
Alright, Jaybird Games, any final words?
Leave a comment below if you can. I can see your channel and do it. And also leave a like and subscribe for my very hot sauce, which I almost threw up. And tell me what video should I do next for my challenge. And I'll probably do the cinnamon challenge.
Uh-oh. Bye.
Bye.